Hi, and welcome to Easy Craft at Edison Public Library. I'm Miss Jen, and today we will be making shadow puppet theaters to celebrate Groundhog's Day and the coming Lunar New Year. So let's start with our cardboard box, tissue paper, foam shapes or paper shapes, craft sticks, scissor, box cutter, and some tape. So let's start with our puppets for the puppet theater. You can either get sticky foam shapes, very easy, put them right on the popsicle sticks. There you go. Or if you have paper or just regular foam shapes, you can tape them. Or if you prefer, glue them, but tape works just as well. So here we go, some tape on there, boom, and you can always make more like these. Oh, very nice. Okay, now that we have our puppets, we can work on our box. So we start by cutting off some of the flaps in your box, and then you cut a rectangle about 1 inch or 2 from the edge all the way around with a box cutter or scissor, and boom, the front of the theater. Then you want to decorate your theater because the next part is a little more delicate. You want to next make your screen. So you make your screen using the tissue paper and you tape it flat on the inside of your cardboard box. And you have a nice shadow puppet theater to play with. Just remember, you need a flashlight that can go in the back and shine out through the front, or you can even put it in front of the sunshine on sunny days and play.